Around 50% of Indian women are anemic, and due to this anemia, they are prone to so many deficiency diseases. The solution is nutrient dense meal. Where there is will, there is a way always, and God helps those who help themselves. You have so many things in your kitchen which you can utilize and use to improve your health. Yesterday I had prepared Moong Daal Chila and I have some leftover batter. This batter is well fermented and I was thinking of adding something nutritious to it so that I can prepare today's breakfast. So an idea popped up into my mind that why not add a ragi flour into the batter. So let's prepare ragi dosa with the ragi flour. You're welcome to the channel. At Healthify My Cuisine and Lifestyle, we healthify our ways of living and eating, from a homemaker to a homemaker. For this dosa, as I told you earlier, this is the Moongdaal Chila. I had done a live preparation of Moongdaal Chila yesterday on Facebook. I'll share the link in the description box so that you can also see. Here in this bowl, I will add this Moong Daal Chila batter. This is just Moong Dal. 1 cup of Moong Dal and 1/4 cup of rice was added, as dals are sometimes heavy on stomach and rice will give it that lightness. Rice is a good prebiotic and it will help in the good digestion also. Here I will add, this is 2/3 cup of ragi flour. I will add 2/3 cup of ragi flour. This much. Add to the same batter and nothing else to be added. This will be sufficient for 2 people. Mix it properly so that it's lump free and add water little by little. Ragi is my favorite millet because it's the only millet which has both vitamin D as well as calcium. For the absorption of calcium, vitamin D is required, and this particular millet is rich in iron also. So if you have low hemoglobin levels, you can definitely include ragi in your diet. Ragi is considered to be king of all the millets and it's my personal favorite, and it's versatile. Like other millets, ragi is also versatile. So mix it well, give it a good quick mix so that it gets blended well, and let it rest for at least 10 minutes so that all the things get mixed well. You just need to add a little bit of salt. We are Indians, so we don't let anything go waste. Here from this I will add this also. Ragi or nachni is rich in vitamin C also, which is very crucial for the absorption of iron in it. So include it for so many reasons. Include it for your good health. The cookware on which you are cooking your dosa is also very important. Cook this on a iron rich iron tawa, heat it well, season it well and spread the batter. Take 2 ladle full of batter and spread it well by the back of the ladle and wait for it to get crispy. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes from one side, and don't flip it forcefully, it will leave the pan itself. Include this cookware in your daily cooking so that it imparts more iron to your dishes. Cook at least one meal on the iron tawa or your iron cookware. Your iron cookware will impart some iron to your food, and iron deficiency anemia is more common in women and remains a frequently underdiagnosed and underappreciated women's health issue. Share this video with your loved ones so that they too can get aware of this problem. Let us spread the awareness together. Cook it well on both the sides, and let's encourage each other to cook in iron cookwares and discard all the aluminium and non-stick, which is dangerous. Serve it hot with the sabzi or chutney of your choice. You can serve it with so many sauces and chutneys I have shared on my channel. I will give the link in the description box. In the same way, make more and today I will serve it with scrambled eggs with lot of veggies. I have cooked the eggs in iron kadhai, as you can see. Your taste buds may not like it, but your whole body will thank you later. While I enjoy having this meal, I request all of you to please consider subscribing the channel, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and comment and let me know how it turned out. For more such recipes, please do consider subscribing the channel. Thank you.